Hello everyone. In this time, we're going to talk about competency modeling. And my name is Yang Jung-wan.
And my name is Jiyoung Kim.
This is our list. First, areas of HRD and ET. And second, we're going to talk about competencies of HRD. And last, we show you competency modeling. The primary purpose of this presentation is to identify competencies needed by future HRD. Areas of HRD and ET. HRD is human resource development. It's about a set of systemic and planned activities designed by an organization to provide its members. Next is ET, educational technology. It's the field concerned with the design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of processes and research for learning. Next is workplace learning and performance. The process used by individuals when engaged in learning activities for acquiring the competence necessary to meet current and future workplace requirements. What is the role of HRD professionals? They should contribute information, ideas, and recommendations during strategy formulation. And they have to provide education and training programs that support effective strategic management. And second, they should ensure that all training efforts are clearly linked to the goals and strategies of the organization. Let's see role of HRD professionals. Role of HRD professionals. HRD professionals should contribute information, ideas, and recommendations during strategy formulation. Second, they have to provide education and training programs that support effective strategic management. And they should ensure that all training efforts are clearly linked to the goals and strategies of the organization. And let's
more closer look at the model. Roles are groupings of targeted competencies. They are not subtitles. An individual job may encompass one or more roles. It's similar to different hats that one wears. Second, AOE. It stands for Areas of Expertise. It is the specialized knowledge, skills, an individual needs over and above the foundational competencies, and individuals may need expertise in one or more areas. Lastly, the foundational competencies. It is the relevant behaviors for all learning and performance professionals to varying degrees. Since 2004, many factors triggered the 2013 revisions. Tony Bingham, who is ATD President and CEO, he said having an effective training and development function is critical for organizational success. These are the important four factors: the recession and economic uncertainty, digital, mobile, and social technologies, demographic shifts, lastly, globalization. These factors shaped the fields over the decades. Let's go see the new model. Since 2004, the model has been simplified. It is no more pyramid. It now has two major parts. ATD redefines the skills and knowledge required for trainers to be successful now and in the future. The AOEs are the variety of specialized knowledge, skills, and other characteristics. They are now 10. Learning technologies were added. The foundational competencies shown at the bottom for the business manager skill sets required for nearly all occupations. There are now 6. 3 were added in 2013, specifically global mindset, industrial knowledge, lastly, technology literacy. There are several changes of AOE. It answers the question, what do TD professionals need to know and do to be successful? It is cornerstone of ATD content.
Today is fourth industrial revolution. Its characteristic is AI, big data, robotics, and more to come. We are seeing an era of unprecedented change in the way we work. Rapid advancement will dramatically change the characteristics of the global workforce. The fourth industrial revolution is changing the workplace fast, and we will need to adapt our skills to be ready for it. Everywhere we look, skill sets will need to be radically altered to keep pace with the changes taking place in the world of work. In this situation, HR functions will need to learn how to look ahead, analyzing skill gaps, and working out how to align workforce to meet current and future challenges.
Hello, this is our competency model for future HRD. The model's name is Rolex model. Ji-eun Kim and Kyung-won Yang made it. We think trust is core factor for HDR. If there is no trust, other competencies will not work properly. There are 2 types of trust. One is trust between members. The other is trust in what we do will work properly. Next is R in Rolex model. Reflective thinking. Reflective thinking constantly helps us correct our wrong behavior. By reflective thinking, fairness can appear. Fairness is important for increasing members' morale. Critical thinking helps to analyze the nature of the problem objectively and continuously. What is the next? The next is O in Rolex. Originality. There are many new problems in the future, so we need new solutions to solve those problems. Therefore, originality is core factor of future competency. There is creativity and originality. In order to make new things, creativity is needed, and the ability to integrate existing ones is also needed. It's called integrated ability. Next is L, leadership. Leader should be facilitator. Facilitator is not only boss but also friend, and we always have to communicate with members. Next is E in Rolex model, E-technology ability. There are many E-technologies. Among them, we choose 2 things, big data analyzing ability and media using ability. There will be a lot of data in the future. Big data analyzing ability helps us to sort out the data we need. Media using ability in the future, AR device and VR device will be actively used. So we put them on media using ability. It is meta-recognition that encompasses all these Rolex models. By metacognition, we can handle all things systematically and comprehensively. Thank you for listening to our presentation.